All right, well, we're here again, and we just want to thank everyone for tuning in. And the Lord's just been such a blessing, but we've had a lot going on. We've had personal sickness, we've had deaths in the family, we've had my wife being sick. I've got a inguinal hernia now, and so we're just thanking the Lord for everything He's doing. And I know it's been a while, but we've got an old truck here we're going to try and crank today that hadn't been cranked in about 2 years, and it's been sitting. My son's needing a ride, and let's just try to fix him up here. It's an old 1981 F100, and it's a pretty good old truck. Mash it down a little bit, okay? Yeah. And we got a little 289 here out of a 65, I believe I not run the numbers right, 65 Mustang. And so we've got cobwebs. Oh my goodness, at the cobwebs. Been a while. Let's get the breather off. Hang on. We'll set that over here. Did you get your little squirt bottle?
No, you didn't hand it to me.
Okay, all right. Well, we'll pop. All right, now we're trying it again. We got a number 3 battery. Let's see if we got anything here. See if we got any spark. Hang on. Okay. Whoa. Boy, that was a good spark. Hang on, you cut it off. All right. All right, we'll give it a little juice to the old ultralight 2-barrel. We'll fill the bowl up. I'm sure that gas is old gas. Put the coil wire back on. Okay, let's see if it'll run. Well, why don't you listen to that? Go ahead. Whoa. All right. Hang on. Okay. Hang on. Okay. Okay, cut it off. We got to check the oil. Let's check the oil and the water before we get too warm. Well, we got good coolant. Coolant's right there. Now let's check the oil. There, let's check the oil. We may have to put some gasoline in it. Wipe it down. All right. So I changed the oil when we put that thing back together. So.
At the add mark.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, put it back in there.
Yeah.
It's right there. Okay. All right, we're gonna take another break. All right, we're gonna try and check the fluid. Start with 1 quart of liquid gold. If anybody's bought any transmission fluid lately, through my part suppliers where I get mine at a slight discount. Okay, we'll let that go down and let that go in and soak in and get it through it. And, well, it's a quietening on down. It's actually not sounding bad now. Probably the longest this run since I've owned it. Like I said, I wasn't even going to run that little motor there. I was going to run I've got a 460. I like big blocks. Oop, got the lifter coming back again. Could be a fuel pump. Here, you just dropped it on the exhaust. That was a drop of oil.
Yeah.
1 drop of oil made all that smoke.
Go down.
Just a splash. Splish splash, I was taking a bath on a Monday afternoon, working on a Ford. Well, not too much, just a splash. Yep. Working on my first on race day. We won't call it the other thing. To me, it's just bolts and nuts, brother. Bolts and nuts. I love it. Bolts and nuts. It don't matter. I've owned Ramblers. Look good, look good, look good. But you nail it. When we come out of this hole, it's going to level out, be a little higher anyway. Get a little rag there. Are you excited, my man? Close the hood, don't latch the hood all the way in case we got to jump in there for whatever reason, and because you're just pulling it up to the shot. The battery is not cabled in. The battery is not strapped in. The battery is not strapped in. Well, let's see if it'll move after all this time. Turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it. Brakes are a little tight, ain't they? Brakes tight. Yep. I think my boy's gonna look good in that old truck. If it... Check your brakes. Don't drive through my garage. Whoa. Whoa, dog. Well, how you like that old 289?
I like it.
Now we're going to get it pressure washed. You got to push your hood down a little bit. No, that loud latch pushes down. We got to oil that. Needs a little oil. That's good. Wow. Power steering. Fancy spacer. Look at the spacer, man. Woo! All right. Now, the next thing we're going to do is change it over from points to an Axle ignition module. Yeah. We'll put the points in the glove box, screws, just in case down the road, but I like electronic ignition. I mean, I race with points. Yeah, I did. I love them. I mean, you can dwell them out a whole lot better than you can with the ignition module or electronic ignition, unless you want to get into high dollar MSD stuff. So next thing we're going to do is change that distributor to electronic ignition. Lord bless you. All right, hey, Lord bless you is my prayer, and I hope you're having a great day. Be sure to hit the like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think as the Lord turns this world one more day. Good to be back. Bye.